Hi, my dear friends. It is the important draw of Emirates draw because Eid al-Fitr is very near to celebrate. Advance greetings to all my Muslim friends. Also praying for all of you. This is very important strategy for the upcoming draw, which is drawing on 16th April on Sunday. Friends, these are the results, past results of this lottery. It's very difficult to select the 7 numbers between 1 to 37. But if we select the numbers according to the best strategy, then we will win definitely. So please look at carefully. This is the best strategy for you. In recent previous two draws, they are picking two numbers from the new number and five numbers they are picking from recent previous three results of this lottery. This is the result 8, 9, 11, 13, 19, 33 and 36. They picked the five numbers 8, 11, 19, 33 and 36. These five numbers they picked, you can see 19 and 36 from first result, then 8, 11 and 33 from second result of this lottery, and two numbers they picked new 9 and 13. These two numbers not picked by Emirates draw in previous three draws. You can see these are two new numbers. Same in next result, you can see they followed same method, two numbers new and remaining five numbers they picked from previous result. The new numbers are 12 and 37. Remaining these five numbers 8, 21, 22, 25 and 34 they picked from previous result. You can see 34, 25, 22, 21 and 8. So according to this, these are the new numbers. These numbers still not came. You should select two numbers and remaining five numbers you should select from the previous result like 10 and these three numbers 30, 31, 32, 18, 28 and these four numbers, two numbers from these new numbers. Okay guys, this is my overall prediction for the upcoming draw of Emirates draw.